Good morning. Okay. All right. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, test message. If you can hear my voice, please drop like a one in the chat or like give me some feedback just so I know that that the voice is working. But anyways, back in America. Feels good. Back at home. Got the best sleep I've gotten in a while last night. All right, April 24th. Back on a Friday, so today gonna be on the lookout for some zero DTs, and let's see, 15 minutes into market open. See what we got rolling. We got AMD kind of going crazy today. SPY likely gonna be a strong one for me. Oh shit, we got hey, some of y'all rolling in. Hey, be sure to smash the like button. Smash the like. All right, we see that. See the votes moving around. I see a 14% red, 57% green, 29% break even. All right, I'm gonna give it a 97% chance of us coming out green. That's what I'm saying. Us coming out of the day green. Yeah, it feels good to be back. Mine's nice and clear. AMD has a good range on it, but honestly, options there are probably going to be steep. So, not sure if I'll do anything with that. Hey, Yoko, what's up, family? Joey V, top of the morning. Hey, yeah, Joe. Hey, it's been a while. I think the last time I was able to stream was like a week ago. I didn't even think I'd be able to stream today, but I went to bed early last night. Went to sleep at like 6. All right, Mass 3DRC, top of the morning, family. SPX green. We'll see. We'll see. We got a nice little. Honestly, we got a nice little setup to start the day. We got a nice little range. We got some liquidity here. I might go for it like early. Depending on if we hit, we got 13 minutes. Yeah, we've already got some liquidity pointed out for a quick trade. This one would have to be real fast, but yeah, might get a quick one to start the day. So yeah, pull back to about 710. I'll say there's a good chance of it coming to the 713 level, but hey, we'll see. Alex, hey, top of the morning. Hey, love zero DT. I'm about to trade as well. Hey, Osama, hey, top of the morning. I'm back in Dallas. Joey, I'm looking at probably the SPY this morning. I already see like a little, like ideally, might be able to take multiple trades today, but ideally get like a sweep of this level. It'd be nice if we can catch something up here, but if we can't, I'll still even something like this. That's something that could be potentially quick because of just because of like the pace of things at market open. So we'll see. Let me see what I'm working with. Check my day trades and whatnot, and also we'll have to see like I guess where the options pricing kind of opens. Oh my goodness, bro! AMD is insane, bro. My AMD. Oh my goodness. Hey, these shares got my portfolio going super saiyan. AMD's up 11% pre-market. Bro, market's not even doing hot right now, but all right, it kind of is. It's not, but it is at the same time. AMD is getting that love. Let's see. I don't know how to pull this down. Oh, we got this jumping around. All right, hey D Scurv, what's up, family? Okay, top of the top. Oh, I appreciate that D Scurv. Aimed. Oh yeah, you know what? Intel. Yeah, let's throw Intel. I saw something like I saw Intel like pop like 15. I didn't like look at it, but I saw the headline. I went to bed kind of early last night. Oh yeah, Mike. Ooh, okay. So this might be a good like AMD might be a little better for a swing. Let it kind of do its thing, but it might be setting up for a swing. It is kind of dang. I got all these levels for. I'm gonna have to clear this. All these old levels for Intel, bro. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? Travis, top in the morning. Alex, you don't think it'll drop from? Alex, which one are we talking about? Like, are we talking about Intel? We talking about Spy? We talking about AMD? Honestly, I think they can all drop, but I think they can all move higher too. Intel is definitely one I would have to play after some kind of pullback. So maybe here, let's see how it's doing on the 15. Like, so we see this 200 down here. I think if it gets to this 200, bro, it's money. Honestly, even at this this area right here, this $80 level, it might be go to try to go back up. But market open, I'm looking for the SPY. See if we can get a quick trade there. And then like after that, oh, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, hold up. I'm just trying to get another song on here. Let me check in on SoFi. Okay. Lorna, good morning. Lorna of 1211. AMD was loving the Intel. Hey, for real. I'm wondering what it's going to be like when AMD actually announces earnings. That's crazy. What do I think about QQQ? Likely a similar story. Probably more exaggerated than the SPY here. We'll pull that up right here. Let's see. All right, let me look at it on a 4-hour first. All right, so we got the Qs popping, right? This one, bruh, Qs is really going Super Saiyan. And of course, they want a landscape right now. Let's see. All right, so I would say it's not quite as. Let me check this one at 30. I don't know. It's like the Q could keep moving up, but it's. Maybe no, it is the same setup. So yeah, once again, I guess I would look out for this. Like they're going to be similar setups. So it's like, here, I think I gotta move this because y'all can see it on y'all screen, but I can't get down to it. Let me slide this up. Let's see. Can I, bro? All right, let's slide this over. All right, all right, there we go. So with Qs, yeah, I would think like if you're trying to get something quick, this 658 could dip a little more, but that's where I'm looking for the similar thing I'm looking for in the SPY today. But yeah, the Qs have the same setup as the SPY. Steph, Steph not Curry. Hey, top of the morning. Hey, yo, it's been a while. It's been too long, bro. I've been wanting to go live, but I have not had time. It's like I've been on the move, and I was too I was having to lead more moves than I wanted to. I kind of wanted to like kick back and be able to lean on someone else, but everyone was leaning on me, so I was too vital while I was supposed to be vacationing. AMD did get a price upgrade. Hey, that's nice. They should they definitely like need them. Cheedy, you said, can I explain out of the money and in the money? Let's see here. Let me see if I can actually pull up an option chain real quick. Oh wait. I think I can do it on TradingView. Let me see. What options? All right. So right here on the side of the screen, you can see this is an option chain. Let me try to. Okay, so right here, this isn't updated because the market doesn't open for like 3-4 minutes or whatnot, but in the money is just going to be like, say if you get a call, you see this 708.45. Calls make money as the value of a stock goes up, and it's a little confusing because the strike prices are getting higher as it goes down. But notice as the contract gets past the threshold, so 708.45 for a call, everything higher than that. Wait, hold on. All right, well, everything below this price is in the money. Wait, hold on. This is looking a little weird. Distance. Hold on. This option chain is weird because it's saying distance. I don't understand. Oh, I guess it's saying this is the distance from the money. What's the price? Okay, this isn't a good option chain to explain. Let me pull up something else. That's like, that one's making me think too much. Let's see. We got market open here in a little bit, so it might be a little bit tough to get it in, but let's see. All right, so here we are looking at Robinhood, right? I might need to look at a better stock. Let's look at like Tesla. I know they got a little more movement. All right, so here we are looking at Robinhood. We are currently looking at call options, and you can see the share price of Tesla is going to be $374.24, and we're looking at calls. So with calls, you can see we got all the strike prices here. Everything below the price of 374, the price is currently trading at, is going to be considered in the money. So yeah, all these strike prices are in the money. And notice the deeper we get into the money, if we look at the ask price, the value of the contracts are going up. The ask price is a lot higher the deeper in the money you go. Whereas if you're moving out of the money, which for a call would be above the strike or the current trading price, since that's the direction you wanted to go, it's out of the money. Notice the further out of the money, the cheaper the prices get for the contracts. All right. Also, if you look at the Greeks and whatnot, the delta is going to be worse. So right here, this is just outside the money. The delta is like 44. If we jump up to 400, the delta is like 0.3. So just know that the closer in, we're about to open, so I'm gonna have to change gears. But the closer to the money you are, or the more deeper in the money you are, the more your contracts are going to be worth, and the further you move out, the less they're going to be worth. All right, so we got market open, and yeah, we'll see kind of what happens here. All right, let me also set an alert. The Qs actually look like it's already hitting that area. We'll see what happens here. But yeah, market's open. Hey, very welcome, Chidi. Let's see. All right, so I'm keeping the contracts I get today under $100. That's typically what I do with the 0DT anyway. All right, so I got one I'm looking at. Let's see. We're approaching the area that I would want to enter. I'm gonna come down to a 5. Letty F, good morning. All right, hold up, come on. All right, oh no, that was a different alert. I was like, I thought the alert was popping off. All right, liquidity's been swept. All right, I just grabbed 3/7/12 call strikes that expire today. 3/7, 3 of them, and I paid 92 cents per share. Already up on them. It swept that liquidity. Where's my tool? Oh, they changed the little look of it. Okay. All right, but yeah, ideally. Oh, I'm on a 5-minute. Yeah, let me. The full move will be up here, but I got price targets along the way too. So let me get those all marked in. All right, so I'm currently down on those. Down like 5%. Let's get my levels marked up. All right, first target is going to be about 7/11/16. My price there we go. Slide this over. Next one, where we at? Be like right here. 7/12/23. And like the full one will be like up here at high day pretty much. 7/13/38. It's a 7/12 call, so once we get up here, it's in the money. It'll start moving some more, but we'll see. Also, if we pull back to should we pull back to this 708 area first? Actually, I'm not even sure I'd do that. I don't have enough time on that contract. I'm talking a little different, but yeah, we'll see how this does. Just chill with that. All right, Letty, have not traded in a long time. We'll just watch today. Hey, I know how you feel. I think, let me see when the last trade I took was. Let's see. Oh, I feel like I've been making money, but I haven't been like taking like crazy trades. I think I may have just been like, I've had trades that I've taken profits on, but I haven't been like taking like new ones. Wait. It looks like it's just a lot of SPY stuff. Oh, I think the last time I traded was like Friday actually. Yeah. Calm, good morning. Not sure if I said good morning, but I like read that a little bit ago. Apple, wow, bye bye, downside. Here, let's see what's up with Apple. Bro, I was on a plane like all day yesterday, and I come back, I'm like, oh man. I was looking at Nike, I was like, I still got that call. And it had looked like it was finally about to go to the money. I said nope. All right, so pulling back on the SPY still. All right, Jay Wells in on a 7-11 calls, 0 DTE. M says top of the morning. I'm driving, I'm listening, but what did I get in? I got in a 712 SPY call, SPY 0 DTE. I think I paid like 92 per share. I'm down on them right now. But it's early. I think should turn out okay. Yeah, I'm down like $10 per share. So I bought in for 82 per share or 92 per share. It's currently 82 per share. Emerson said, "What's up, Matthew? Losing voice to text, just for the record." You're losing? Oh, using voice to text. I was about to say, I'm like, why are you losing it? But I got you. I know how that normally goes. Emerson, I know you be doing your thing. Hey, but yeah, let's see what the market gives us. Let me real quick. I think we have some data coming out in like 23 minutes. Let me see. Take a quick gander. What was it? Oh, we get consumer sentiment, revised consumer sentiment in 23 minutes. Okay. All right, Lados Max, or Lados, I don't know. Max, hey, you're very welcome. All right, so hey, trying to push up a little bit. See if we can come take some targets. I won't be mad if it decides, hey, yeah, let's take some targets, but otherwise, we'll just see. Oh, also, D-Scurve had that call out about Apple. Let me just draw the range on the day. Yeah, we'll kind of see how we do. Right now, not too much going on right now. Whole lot of sidewaysness, but also AMD holding up pretty well. I feel like so awake and so well rested right now. This is great. I was definitely on zombie mode like the past 24 hours. All right, so the Qs is recovering better from its little entry point. So wait, who asked about it? Alex. Yeah, Alex asked about it. So this was the entry for the Qs and the entry for the SPY, the red line for both of them. The Qs is like definitely pushing better off of its entry point than the SPY right now. AMD was like it had some good volume right now. Oh well, it is the start of the day. Let's see if this candle can go red on. Oh, hold up. I need to look at I need to watch the dollar and stuff too. All right, so dollar selling off. Let's see the VIX. Okay. And then in like 5 minutes we can check the PCE too. Bro, I feel all sophisticated and stuff right now. Bro, when I was traveling, bro, I had like my laptop and I had like just this monitor. Honestly, that's plenty. But like now I got and then wait, hold on, let me gather myself. Now I got the monitor, my laptop. Hold up. AMD higher day. Let's see what's going on here. What's it gonna do? Are we gonna get a breakout here? AMD got a new high. I feel like the options are something I wouldn't want to touch on AMD right now, but also let me see if there's anything just super cheap. Any super cheap zero DTs? Yeah, AMD is at the high right now. All time high. High of day. Oh, wait. You know what? Why not? Hold up. I see some crazy stuff. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna grab an AMD. I'm gonna grab two of them. AMD 390 calls. If anything happened with those, cool. If not, it is what it is. I just paid $6 for each of those. We'll just see. Like AMD is overnight, it's up $40, bruh. I I've seen what stocks can do when they get happy. Uh, I'm not thinking too much about it, but it was $6, and I see all kinds of crazy strikes past that. So if it keeps running, I think I could like, or even if it runs a little bit, I could probably sell one of the two I got and get my money back, and then just see what happens with the other one. But otherwise, if it dies here, then I guess that's it. We're not getting too much from the market right now. All right, Buddha Dev. Hey, top of the morning. He said, "What's going on with Apple? Have a 275 call expiring on the 6th. Wait, on June 18th. Here, let's see. So, I'm personally like more bullish on Apple. What's going on with it? Still kind of range bound, depending on what time frame you're looking at. This would be well, actually, I guess if Apple can break past like 278, that might be a little more something to see, and still a little bit more confidence. But no, right now it's kind of consolidating. There's a lot of there's like resistance at this I guess 276 area. If we see Apple get past that, or maybe when we see Apple get past that, it can go up. Uh, is anything going to happen with it today? Don't know. Maybe we have to wait and see. We got consumer sentiment in 16 minutes. Maybe we can see a little more activity coming from that point. But as of right now, the market's not moving too much. We're not really seeing too much going on. So, I guess we're just playing a waiting game right now. But yeah, I think Apple could go up, but we just kind of got that news about the new, what is it? The new CEO. Like I guess earlier this week. So I wouldn't expect anything crazy to happen. Actually, today could be a day that something crazy happened with it, but I wouldn't necessarily expect it. And then we also have earnings, what, Thursday of next week? So yeah, just seeing that we got earnings Thursday of next week, they could run into it. They could decide, hey, let's wait until we actually get movement. There's a myriad of different things that can happen. Just because of the fact that it is earnings season, though, uh, like holding and swinging things does become a lot less predictable. But I do know that a lot of stuff, I wouldn't necessarily say Apple, but a lot of stuff is priced for, like, priced well below the sales and revenue that they've been making. So it's like if the market wants to become more rational, then we could see more upside to a lot of these larger companies because they are still raking in the dough and more than their stock price might reflect. So something to consider. All right, SPY, not new low of day, but still kind of chilling at this level. So could be sweeping liquidity, could be coming lower. I don't think it's coming lower like that, but we'll see. On the 15, I'll give it to the 200 moving average. If it comes here, I'll even consider getting a few more contracts. But we're kind of just waiting to see. It's early in the day. They didn't want to pop off too much to start the day. See how the dollar's doing. We should have the PCE is updated. Okay. I'm gonna slap that in this middle spot right here. All right, so we opened up at like 0.55. All right, so not a crazy amount of puts out there. So if they wanted to just throw, like, run up the puts, they could do that. Like I think, like, should we like come below some levels, like confirm below some levels? I mean, we could want to be ready to hop in some puts as well. Since I'm watching SPY now, I see, is that my other level? 271, I'm thinking calls, but it also could go 2250. I'm just saying. Wait, you said 271. What? And then 2250. Yeah, I don't know. All right, so we got AMD back at high of day, new high of day for AMD. We got the dollar dropping, which is good for the market as well. So that's cool. What was I doing? SPY calls down. Yeah, they're down on me now. AMD call break even for now. Very welcome, Buddha Dub. J Will said, "What do you think Tesla is doing today?" I mean, we can take a look. I haven't really given it much thought. It's not one of the ones that Claude spit at me today. So let's see. Oh, Tesla. Okay. All right, so it's currently at the 200. Let me on the 15. Let me check it out on the 4-hour real quick. All right, so Tesla has some resistance it needs to get above. I'm gonna say watch 288 for upside, but also here let's come down to a 5. Tesla's kind of popping. Here, let me wait. Let me Yeah, honestly, I'm not sure. It can go up. It's very choppy right now. It's at the 13 EMA. If it decides to move up, it's maybe breaking out. But I will say with this dollar coming down, I lean more towards the market coming up. But also, once again, we still got data in 10 minutes, so we'll have to see. Mr. Freeman, his weekly options expiration. Hey, for real. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, we all need to be careful. Honestly, it's very well possible that we have seen the range for the day, and they're just trying to work us. So yeah, we do need to be careful. Yeah, try not to become liquidity. Um, yeah. So when we're entering anything, we just gotta be patient. Sit around, wait for it, let it come to us. It's like maybe you get into some things, maybe you do become some liquidity, but if you're becoming liquidity, it's like I don't know if you ever been fishing, but like sometimes you want to like bait the water, you want to like chum the water, get all the fish to come to the area, and make sometimes you sacrifice a little to get in and find that like real trade that you want to get in. So sometimes you like, hey, let me drop that there, and dropping that there helps you get a better read because you're like monitoring it and you can better see how it's doing. So it's like whatever you're doing, like, or like if you enter anything, make sure it's, especially if you're only doing 0 DTEs, make sure it is something you can live without. But yeah, in reality, anytime you enter a trade, you are taking a risk. And let me go and slide this down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna slide that like that. And I want to be alerted, just in case, because sometimes you do get like these random pops, and it's like, oh man, I could have taken profit. All right, yeah, but we got the, how much of a pullback is that? What, 70? That's like 3 cents. Okay. Here, I'm gonna pull. Yeah, I don't know what Tesla's doing though. I don't know. This area is kind of serving as resistance for now. I'm gonna get rid of some of these lines though. It's like too much. Mr. Freeman, paper trades on Fridays. See, if it's something like I really want to capture the move for, sometimes I'll get like, I will get contracts for like the next week or more time. Like if it's something I think is gonna happen, and like I really want it. But I'm gonna be real. For the most part, I've been pretty disconnected news wise, and have really more been just trading chart wise. But I feel like it's helped a lot more. All right, SPY back to low a day. Here, let me pull the Qs back up, and then take that to like a 15 so I can get a better look at that too. All right, Qs is at the lower day too. If we catch Qs around 655, that's unreal. Here, let me take the spot on 1 hour real quick. All right, so yeah, I got those contracts I'm in. Yeah, we coming down on them. But yeah, I may get more. Let them come down, get cheaper. We come to the 200. I was like, I think I'm willing to check in right here, and then right here, and then if we confirm below this, I'm done. That's my L on the day. But the beautiful thing about zero DTs can be the way they move. So it's like averaging down. You might get a lot more for less. So we'll see. Let me see how much they're worth right now. Oh yeah, they're a lot less. I like that. All right, we still got data in 4 minutes, so that could also be a catalyst, whether it be to the upside or downside as well. Like don't write that out or write that off. Also, I'm liking like on this 2 minute on this buy, we're oversold. So I'm liking that. But I do want the SPY to come down a little bit more. I would love that. Like I don't want it to start going up yet. Like, hey, we're down here. Like come on and touch that 200 EMA. Let me see what it's looking like on the 5 minute. Okay, so it's a little past on the 5 minute, but all right, Monica, top of the morning. Hey, yeah. Hey, speaking of making it back safely, bro, when I got back to Texas, like right before we started landing, I don't know what happened, but I think it's like the landing gear came out while we were still like pretty high up in the air, cause yeah, we were in the air, and I just hear like this. And like everybody else on the plane like starts kind of looking around, and like I pull my headphone out, I'm like, yo, are they about to say something? Because normally, if things are about to get a little rough, they say something, and it's like they didn't say anything. So I'm like, yo, what's going on? Because normally I'm like, yo, this did get rough. They would normally like explain it to us. I'm like, yo, are things going bad? I'm like, we're still kind of flat. So, hey, we're not just nose diving, but I'm like, yo, what's going on? But they did not address the situation, but like, yo, it was like rough. I was like, yo, never felt it quite like that. But yeah, I started praying. I'm like, yo, God, I'm like, God, if this is my time, yo, I hope I have done your will. And yeah, we made it though. We made it. We landed. It was like, I don't know. It's like as we were coming down, it's almost like there was turbulence as we were coming down, but I don't think it was turbulence. I don't know what it is. But yeah, we made it safely. I was like, yes, thank you, God. All right, so see, liquidity's still here. Where's that? Hey, Ken Hill. Good morning. Welcome back, family. All right, so we're back at 710. It's like they don't want me to average down. I want to average down. Like I would like to get like a quick boot. But good thing about this right here is at least we didn't confirm. Like we're not confirming below this level. Still got like 5 minutes on this candle. Got some data about to drop. Might see a slight acceleration in volume. All right, so open below the level. We still got like 15 minutes, so let's see if we can come down and let's see if we can find the means for me to like average down, but I don't know. We'll see. Good thing is I still see the dollar coming down. So yeah, the SPY coming down along with the dollar coming down. That's not the worst, but also the dollar's at the 200, so would need it to fall below that. All right, coming down some more. SPY at 709.27. See if we can come retest that low. Shoot, let's bring it all the way down to lower day at 708.16. Let's bring it a little lower. Come on. Try to take their time. All right, yeah, we got the dollar dropping. Man, SPY is holding up, man. But yeah, the dollar coming down. That's a good look for upside. Sarah said Tesla puts. What's your time frame? What are you? Yeah, what's your timeline on Tesla puts? Or if you're in Tesla puts, how long have you been riding them? Because if you got in at 382, hey, perfect. I would just like context. Cause I know like some people over here say stuff like to say their positions, but it's like, yo, when'd you get in? Where you trying to ride it to? Where you think it's going? Like all that good stuff. Context makes a world of difference. But yeah, it kind of has support around like 370 or so. $378. Oh yeah, that's a good little movement right there. 378. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so moving down on the SPY. Come on, let's get a new lower day. Honestly, these contracts are holding up. Like with where it's at, like I would have thought they're not holding up from where I bought them, but it's like I would think they would come down a little faster in price. Oh, what's this down here? AMD has meaningful upside ahead of earnings due to magnitude of Intel's Q1 beat, says analyst who hike price target by 70%. Hey, quick. What's the price target? To 375. Okay. All right. Bro, they're playing with me with these this movement right now. I don't know if they're playing with y'all too, but they're playing with me. Okay, pulling on down. Let's go. Come on. Bro, it's really kind of trying to hug this like 710 area on the SPY. Yoko. So when your option play plays out, but your portfolio still says you're down on the day because of your stock holding. Nah, yeah, I know how you feel. I know how you feel. Like I think it was like last week. I had whenever the SPY decided, hey, we're gonna turn up and just like jump up like $20, $30, however much it ran. I think the day before it did that, I grabbed a put with like a week of time on it because it was at a key level, but then it broke out. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just hold on to it because Trump can say something at any point in time. So I was like, so I lost like, I think I paid like 500 for it. So I lost all that, but my portfolio is still like green, 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 green. So it's just like yeah, it's like sometimes you can be like super red and show green, and sometimes you can be super green and show red, like depending on like what position you're looking at. But yeah, AMD itself has my portfolio like, I don't think there's any way I could like lose that amount right now unless something happened to AMD. But here, let's see. Hey, hey, y'all, be sure to smash the like button. Thank you, Travis. All right, Monica said, "Do you already look at SoFi?" So had it pulled up for a moment. Hey, there's Tesla going some more. Here, we'll pull SoFi up right here. Oh, it's going to the downside now. I guess I was looking at it on a different time frame because SoFi was like, it was looking up how I was looking at. Maybe it was like a 4 hour. Yeah, it might have been a 4 hour. So SoFi. Right now you have the 13 crossing below the 48. The actual like RSI is kind of like cooling in this range. You got Bitcoin down about like 400, nothing crazy. Here, let's look at it on the 1 hour. It is at the 200 on the 1 hour. Let's see the 15. I don't know how much more downside SoFi would really have in it on the day. Like trend wise, I think it can trend down and move down some more. Like if you're in a swing, but and I do think it's possible to get a retest of this like I guess 1870 area. I think it's possible to get a retest of that, but SoFi is trending down right now. Well, actually, hold up. I just said that, but actually, hold up. If we look at the range on SoFi, this is your range on SoFi. Sorry, they're like right outside my door, or right outside my house, like landscaping right now. But if we look at SoFi, your range bottom is going to be down here at like 1591. Top's going to be up here around like just below 20. And it's kind of like midway on the way back. But yeah, everything down to like about $16 is still can be bullish and still play to the upside. So I guess be on the lookout for that. All right, so we are still showing strength at this level. It's possible we could get a reversal. I didn't get my average down. I would like to get my average down, but if it decides, hey, we're going to go up and do our thing that way first, cool. It is what it is. I just wanted to like run the course of the trade. All right, we got AMD trying to make its way back up. Let me pull the dollar back up. See how that's looking. All right, we're still moving down on the dollar, so that's still kind of bullish. But all right, U.S. consumer sentiment improved a bit after Iran ceasefire announced. Do we trust ceasefires? I don't think we trust ceasefires. I honestly stopped monitoring that because bro, everything they kind of say, bro, you try to like price in some news or try to like make adjustments to a bit of news, and it's like, yo, they tell you one thing, they do something else, and it's like, bro, I can't trade like this. It's like they're trading the traders. But yeah, AMD. How about that AMD? Bro, my wife has been gone for a minute. And she's about to spend a bag at the store. Have to get groceries since we've been gone for like a month. Kind of excited to see what kind of food she got. Fed decision could have little dollar impact. Yeah, dollar coming down. Yeah, there's a good chance we get a move up. It might take a little waiting, but we're probably going to get a move up. It's like I want to grab more contracts, but also if it plays out, end up making money from it anyway, and don't want to blow anything up. What are we, almost 45 minutes in? Meta's pumping? Yeah, let's see. Let's see what pumping is defined as by Hex. I-6939. Okay, that 4 hour candle looks like, yeah, that's a nice candle on a 4 hour. I'd say that's pump worthy. We do need to look out right here because this is an area there is some liquidity and some resistance, but here, let's see. We'll watch. That's a good one to watch. Should they confirm above that, they might be able to do some more running. But yeah, it's bringing up the SPY. Highest it's been since market open, I believe. Is it? Wait. Hold on, this little. I guess not highest it's been since market open, but it's the first candle. But yeah, let's go Meta. But yeah, we got this dollar dropping. We might do some more popping. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be all right in my calls, even if I just let them expire. With my break even, it'd be like 12.92. AMD back to higher day. We need something to break out though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check some numbers on Moomoo. Also need a pen. All right, so we're still holding that 710. We're hugging this 710 area on the SPY. Let me set an alert down here. Just in case it decides to come back for me. All right, so Meta opening above the 200 on a 15 minute. Dollar up a little off the bottom. And these cashews are hitting the spot. All right, Amazon at 260. Let's see. They're over here around the all-time highs on Amazon. Okay. A lot of optimism coming into earnings. Hey, AMD might be looking to break out. I don't know. We'll see. They're pushing some more. Curious how those contracts I got are moving. Oh yeah, I'm down on like 50%. A dog with some men. So I got a call on the SPY right now, but we're not moving. So kind of waiting and seeing. Charts say the SPY trade should be good. It just, the only thing is it might take some time. So the real question is like, when is the momentum going to come in? There are some stocks that got some momentum, but hold up. DOJ drops criminal probe of Fed Chair Powell. Okay. But yeah, the real question is like, when do these stocks want to move, or do they want to move? Because if they don't want to move, it's going to end up being like, oh, best move today was not to trade. Yeah, honestly, that very well could be a possibility. But yeah, I want to see more like popping up right now. Let me get back to what I was about to do with looking at stuff on Moomoo. Honestly, lot of puts on the spot right now. What else are we trying to look at? Let's look at AMD. I bet that's real low. I'm looking at these put to call ratios. Oh yeah, it's getting up there a little bit. Let's check Tesla. I bet it's not. Dominique, good morning. Oh wait, hold up. I'm missing messages. Seeing NQ and ES have potential. Okay, that's the future version of what I'm looking at. Let's see. At work now, can trade. My bad for those terrible. Yeah, I was like, yo, what's going on? With the price levels you were saying, I'm like, yo, let me read that again. Then I read it again, and I read it again. I was like, I don't know what's going on. I was like, I'm gonna just wait. But yeah, good morning, Dominique. You said you were watching Apple at 271 or above. Okay, I got you. Spy watch. Okay. Lucky J, happy Friday. That it is. Yeah, I got some good sleep last night. For the first time, and bro, I think while I was in Europe, I think I was getting good sleep like one night a week. So it's sleep is so crucial. I was still like living well in Europe. Sleep was not happening. I was not functioning I was not top functioning. Oh yeah, 3 days ago, opened a long call for JPM and Apple down. Oh no, that's never a good feeling. What is the JPM? Let me see. That's not one I ever really look at. I'm gonna pull up that chart on my phone. If it looks interesting, I'll pull it up on the computer. But let's see. Oh, it's legit like sold off since. That's unfortunate. Top stocks volume wise today: Intel, AMD, Tesla, Microsoft, and Palantir to the downside, but not like a crazy amount of moving, just volume wise. Are we buying some nails, Lucky J? You said, should I cut? I mean, my question would be, can you cut? Like a lot of times, whenever it gets to, like if the contract shows it's worth 0.01 or $1 per share, or no, 1 cent per share or $1 for the contract, where a lot of times you're not going to be able to sell. And top in the morning. Hey, appreciate you, Lucky J. You said I'm far too out of the money right now, dude. Oh yeah, hey. GG, bro. Let's see. Hey, we got Amazon about to make a new all-time high. What's with the Amazon? Okay. What's their earnings? Meta taps Amazon's Graviton chips to power. Okay. That probably has something to do with Meta and Amazon going up. But yeah, Amazon, they might be a slow, like, kind of melt up today. Here, I'm gonna like if they can hold above this, like if they can confirm, I guess kind of above this like 261.33 area or 261.50, then we can do some things. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. You said they're playing with the SPY. Right now it's kind of consolidating. They're doing their thing with it. Honestly, I would say it's too early to say that they're like playing with it, because it's early, but like there's some liquidity. Let's see. So like, hey, let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. We still got 34 minutes on it, but like if we look on the 1 hour, oh hold up, we may not fully set liquidity yet, so we might need some more time. Let's check the 30-minute first. All right, let's see how the 30-minute candle closes, because actually on the 30 we've been. We'll see. Yeah, let's check the 30-minute. See if we still hold this level. We've really been hugging like this 17 or 710 level. I've been wanting us to like pull back a little bit more so I could get some more, but I don't know what the play is. Like if they would like to bring it to one extreme, I've already entered a call, like some 0 DTs, but I'm not sure how they're gonna run it today. Are they trying to bring the dollar back up? I'm gonna need that to go on and come back down. I think we got all the data we're supposed to get today. Yeah, it might just be a Friday. What this? You said, can I check NVIDIA? So I see a lot of resistance at this 203.30 level, or like just 203 kind of area. Like even if we go back, we see resistance kind of at this 203 area. So confirmation above that could be nice, but right now, on the 15, we got like a little triple top going here, and they could see like a move down from here. But let's see, it's the 1 hour. Let's see the 4. Yeah, you want to see like a close, like a close and open above 203, which really hasn't happened yet. Hey, Cheaty, I'm not sure if it's your phone or whatever, but like why, like every time you message something today, it's like you'll say it in lowercase, and then like legit half a second later the message comes through in all uppercase too, because you asked it for the in the money and out of the money, and then you said you asked to check NVIDIA too, and it's like in the same minute. But yeah, it's like if you're typing that twice, no need to type it twice. I see it even. Well, actually, like if it's been like a few minutes, like go on and like I'll say it again. But it's like if it's just like a minute or so or a few between it, it's like unless you just want to like practice typing, which it could be. there can be benefit to practicing typing. I'm just here to tell you, you don't need to do that, because I see it. Unless you said it more than twice. Sometimes, like I think M sometimes he'll say stuff, and then YouTube's like, oh no, we're not gonna show that. Nah, we don't want the good people of the chat to hear what he had to say. So sometimes it doesn't like show people's comments, but I've been seeing those. Romero, top in the morning. Hey family, just popping in real quick to get my like on the. Hey, yeah, appreciate that family. Hey, y'all hear that? Hey, he's wishing us the best. Busy day at work, no trade. Hey, get that bread, Romero. Hey, stay blessed. Stay blessed. Yeah, this is truly a blessing to have a job. Okay, wait, okay. Hey, not your average bro, top of the morning. A dog with some men. What is the difference between a long put and a short call? Hold on, I have to think about it. Oh, okay. Here, I can probably show you. Let's see. I think I gotta open it back up, but yeah, I can show you here in a second. Let me pull up. Oh, you said send it twice. Okay. Let me see. Let me pick a stock. Then I'll show you the difference in a second. All right. So, hey, you asked what's the difference between a long put and a short call. So here we are. We are looking at the options contract. All right. So when you long, you're going to be buying, right? Well, actually, yeah, really just depends on what you're looking at. But yeah, when you long something, you're going to be buying it. So if you're long on something, yeah, you're buying it, right? All right, so looking at AMD, buy. Wait, here, let me find the question here real quick just to make sure I get it right. Where is it? Long put. Okay, so look, long put, we want to buy the put. All right, so looking at it, let me find the at the monies. All right, so if we look at this 345 strike, if I want to buy a 345 put on AMD, look at it here. What I want you to pay attention is going to be the break even. So if I buy a put on AMD, a 345 put on AMD, break even is going to be 341.40 or whatnot. Okay, so that's when I'm buying it, right? Now, if I want to sell, this is going to be the equivalent of shorting, or not the equivalent of shorting call, but let me show you what it's like to short a put or whatever. I don't like the term like long and short. Like the way you put that question kind of confuses me, but just showing you like the writing and the buying side. If you're going to sell a puts, wait, hold on one second. Let me swap this just so I can see the price. But yeah, if you're going to sell a put, notice that wait, hold on. Now break even's the same. All right, so actually we're gonna look at the chance of profit. Or actually I might need to go one step further. All right, to show the difference. So right here, 345, if we buy it, let me see if it'll let me. I don't have the balance in my account to actually buy it. But you can see right here, if you sell it or short it, you get a $4.10 credit. Whereas if you buy it, here, let me get that out. It's going to be a debit. So this is going to come out of your account as opposed to you receiving it. Wait, hold on. Hold on, I'll get to your next question. I see you tried to clarify it. Emson said, I think that happened this morning with the voice to text. I was expecting to explain more voice typos, but didn't see the. Oh, okay, I got you. Later. The direction of the small candle probably is the difference, but I don't know. No, like buying puts and selling calls. Oh no, I was actually gonna get to buying puts and selling calls. So the difference is going to be like kind of your profit and how it profits. So when you sell an option contract, you make money. You're kind of like making money as time passes, whereas when you buy a contract, you make money as the price moves. Like the more time you have, the better. Here, let me pull that back up again. So yeah, if you're trying to sell a call, all right, if you wanted to sell a call, I don't have the balance to sell a call, so it won't let me, but like looking at this 345 strike, if I want to sell this, I'm going to get 275, and here, let's see if it'll pull up the chart. On the app, okay, so we got this chart right here. This chart right, oh here, let me slide it over. This chart right here shows how you profit. So if you sell a call, your max profit is going to be, wait, this is a 345. So if AMD expires at, I think it needs to get to about, what is it? As long as AMD expires at 345 or below, you get all of the money, like all of this 273 for selling you get all that money. But if AMD ends up going higher, like if the price of AMD goes up, you lose money on the contract. So that's kind of going to be the difference. Wait, let me look at the question again. So buying puts and selling calls. So yeah, you lose money as it goes down on selling a call. No, wait, hold up. No, you make money as it goes down, but your profit is limited. And then if you buy a put, looking at the same chart, where is it at? So looking at the same strike, if you buy a put, what's it? Oh, your profit is pretty much capped out. Like you can make up to 34,000 $140 because of assuming that AMD goes to zero. So you can make a lot more money with puts or buying contracts and selling them pretty much. That's all I'm gonna really say. All right, we're gonna slip that on, move that on. All right, trying to move on the market again. So I guess we got that. Well, we gotta close on the 30-minute candle. Oh wait, okay. I guess this candle's been going again. Let's see if we can get some new highs. The hike in Ashy looks like it's trying to do some pushing. Let's see if we can push on. Oh, hold up. I missed out on okay, so Nvidia is pushing up. I forgot who asked about it, but Nvidia is pushing up. No confirmation yet. But yeah, this candle is this is a bullish candle on Nvidia. Yeah, this candle is here. Let's see. Is this like an all-time high for Nvidia? Nope, not yet. All right, so Nvidia actually has a gap fill to like 206.50 or so. Looks like it might be trying to get to that potentially. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the 15. Man, I wish I averaged down on those contracts. Let me see how those contracts are moving. Yeah, I'll be doing all right. I'm down like 23% on those. Yes, Lucky J. That is exactly what Nvidia is doing right now with the little rocket ship. Yeah, let's see how those other ones are. Yeah, I feel like today we've had like little exchanges of different stocks rotating to kind of like show that different stocks rotating to what is it? Different stocks rotating with the pops. Like we've had different stocks kind of like pop off, but they've kind of like rotated like which one is popping off. I don't know what's up. I'm gonna say I'm doubtful this AMD holds, not AMD. I'm doubtful that this Nvidia movement holds up. Honestly, I want it to hold up, but I'm doubtful that it holds up right now. Bro, now they're blowing leaves over here. This leaf blower is loud, man. Jay Wells says Spy wants to run. It wants to. It kind of needs to, but it's not All right, so Nvidia is I think $1 away from that gap fill I was just talking about. Not $1 away from all-time highs, but that gap fill I said 206.50 or something. And then we still got a minute and 10 seconds on this candle. I think SPY is pretty close to my price target 1 too. Here, let's see. Let me see. I had it at about like 711.16. Here, I'm gonna slide this over a little bit, but see, it took a long time though. But yeah, we're approaching. Okay, yeah, it's trying to jump to my first take profit, but the price is down. Like I was hoping it happened a lot faster. I'm down like 14% on the contracts I grabbed. You said what's the call on Nvidia? I didn't call anything on Nvidia. I just got it. I just have it pulled up. I don't know the catalyst or anything, but I'm just saying like if it confirms above 203, that's when you could like, that's when confirmation for a breakout is. but they have a gap fill, like the gap fill all the way to what date was it? They got a gap from November 3rd on Nvidia, but I'm not playing Nvidia. There's just a gap to be filled, but it looks like it's about to fill it in. Okay, so it looks like it just filled it in. So yeah, Nvidia filled in the gap, and now we got a new candle. Let's see. Let me take it back to the 15. All right, so if this candle can stay up, like stay up, so Nvidia can do its thing. If anybody wants anything with Nvidia and wants to take the risk on playing it early, I mean, it's there. I'm gonna say it doesn't confirm until, like, you got 14 minutes till it confirms, if it confirms. All right, so SPY hit price target 1, so it's knocked that one out. The contract is down 7% due to theta, but my goodness, if I had averaged down, that would have been some solid money. All right, let's take it up to price target 2. At price target 2, that contract will be in the money, but it's good that we got momentum now, because it's good when you have momentum. Let's just leave it at that. All right, so back to break even on the SPY. Bro, I was looking at grabbing this contract at like 45 cents. That would have been it's up 100% from there, or over 100% from there now. But yo, let's keep it going. Like, honestly, I want Nvidia to hold up, but we got the dollar trying to move back up. That's not the best look. Well, it's like 9:48. Bro, it's kind of cloudy. Let me check the weather. Let me make sure it's not supposed to rain. No rain today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, though. Here, let me pull the cues back up. See how that's moving. Yeah, it's like a whole lot of chop, or at least for this morning session. We got Euro close in like what, like 40 minutes, 41 minutes. That's normally when I get off. We'll see how I feel, or see if like I have lunch ready or anything like that. I might stick around longer. We'll see. I do have a lot that I need to do, but also, yeah, we'll see. Oh, also family, hey, we get back to doing the lives every day next week, and we'll be back to the Zoom calls and stuff too. Now that I'm back, bro, I kept having those alerts go off. Like sometimes I'd be up like where I was, it was like 2:30. Those alerts for the Zoom calls would go off. I'd be like, oh shoot. I'm like, am I supposed to be on a call right now? I'm like, oh wait, we didn't. Yeah, didn't schedule that. I'm like, okay, cool. But yeah, those alerts will go off. Okay, we got Nvidia. Nvidia's trying. Okay, it's trying. Honestly, keep it up, Nvidia. You said Spy is ready now, bro. Yeah, I wish it would. Yeah, I would love pre-market high, bro. Give me a bag. Do I have an alert up? Yeah, I got an alert. I'm gonna stand up. Been sitting down too long. Oh no. Bro, yeah, the hiking actually on the spot. Hey, we're looking good. Like to see the green rolling. Hey, keep it going, keep it going. All right, so we got Nvidia at 207.14. $207.34. Spy at 711.30. Yeah, we're trying. Hey, we're trying to move up. We got the Qs at 660. I want to see this dollar come down now. These curves at Nvidia going for. I mean, what's their all-time high? Like 210. Let's check in on that. Oh no, their all-time high on Nvidia is like 212. Shoot, let's go for it. Let's get it, Nvidia. Come on. We still got like 5 minutes on this candle. Let's see some strength, Nvidia. Like let's see some confirmation of strength. Wait, hold up. Oh, okay, we're good. Bro, some of these times throw me off a little bit now. I think I should be in the green on my contracts now. See. Nah. Lost that momentum for a little bit. No, I'm like 5%. It's a battle against theta. Market makers going just slow enough. They don't want to give any quick payouts. U.S. chip makers hit record highs as Intel charges AI rally. Thank you, Intel. All right, we got Nvidia at 207.56. Yo, what's going on? This. Bro, I guess the call on Nvidia was the move. They said we'll let AMD move in the pre-market. We'll do our moving a little later. This is what Nvidia looked like whenever AMD did like the jumpy jump. Like if we look, you can see this dotted line. This is where Nvidia was, or like it lines up on Nvidia. Here, let me try to line them up a little better. Slide that over a little bit. There we go. So when they were pulling back, when AMD, oh wait, hold up. All right, so when AMD did this gap up over here, you had Nvidia kind of pulling back. Then you had like a little upward movement from them. That's like AMD over here. And then you had AMD kind of like bounce up on this candle. You kind of got it from Nvidia too, but now Nvidia's like, hey, now is my time to shine. We got Nvidia at 208.20, which has a SPY at 711.57 and the Q's at 660.53. All right, let's get it. Bro, I'm still sitting on break even. Man, bro, if I had average down, bro, it got like right there to my average down, or it got like right like within that average down area too. Could be sitting like so pretty right now, but we still doing all right. Yes, sheesh. Moving on up. Hey, let's go on and take out some price targets. So let's do that. Can we do that? All right, we almost, Nvidia's at 208.80, or it was at 208.87. About to hit 209. Yeah. All right, we got 10 seconds on this candle, and that's confirmation. All right, so Nvidia has confirmed. It's likely has some more for it. Now Here, I'll drop to NVIDIA on the 5, see what that's looking like. Bro, yeah, that's steep. If it can come back to this 13 EMA, that might be a good place to grab a contract for upside. Oh, let me see if I have unlimited day trades on Robinhood yet. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I don't know what else is popping, but something else. Here, let me change. What is it? See what's bringing my account up today. Cause this thing is flying, and it's not just AMD. Oh, okay, Meta. Honest. Oh, honest. Hold up. What's? Oh, it's not even like it's up 5%, but it doesn't seem like it should be doing all that. All right, pushing up some more. Let me get back to checking my checking to see if I have unlimited day trades, or not unlimited, but whatever it is. Let me see. Nah, they still limit my day trades. So I don't know when that's supposed to happen. Where if you have $2,000, you aren't limited day trades wise, but I'm still limited. We're up 175% on AMD. Still pushing. All right, in the green on those SPY calls. So now I'm free. I'm free if I want to roll out. Price target 1 wasn't enough for me because it didn't move fast enough. But price target 2, anything past that, we're in the money. Just saw my 19.5 call on. Oh my goodness! Hey, nice. How long when'd you buy it? How long did you hold that? Hello, 11:55 or 5:57. That's yo, congrats. That's nice. Oh, where's my mouse at? Patrick, hey, top of the morning. How you been, family? How's the weather out there? You said 2 days. And you were so you had to end the money call, and it's up like that. Hey, nice. $57 and cloudy, but it's going to get to 74. Hey, honestly, that sounds like some that sounds a little bit cooler than Hungary. The weather when I was in Hungary last week. Let's see. But yeah, it's cloudy out here too. Oh yeah, let's get some more ins. Yeah, I got back yesterday. I think I got back to the crib at like maybe like 4 p.m. Bro, I went to sleep at like 6 p.m. yesterday because coming back, that was rough, man. It was rough. But yeah, we back. All right, AMD trying to go above again. Oh, I don't know if AMD and Nvidia are trying to take turns. All right, so we got a little pause here. AMD looks like it's trying to go for the high. We got Nvidia at 209. So Nvidia's at high of day as well. So yeah, hopefully we keep moving. I would like to see that dollar drop. Wait, okay. Simon 1-1. Wait. Oh, you said my bad, $68. Okay, cool. I was like, yo, if you had like a 19.5, I was like, you were in that for some time, or you just, I guess, bought in the money. But hey, good stuff. That's even better when you get stuff that fast. First time on here on this stream, trade futures and interest in options trading. Any suggestions? I got a playlist. Like, yeah, I got a playlist on my channel. Let me, I'll drop the link and I'll explain it to you real quick. Let me see. Hold up. Where? Oh, wait. All right, it's probably trying to push up. But let's see. Playlist. All right, yeah. Here, I'm going to drop that in there and, like, real quick explain it to you. All right, so, oh, wait, hold up. Got to click on it.
Your target.
All right, so this playlist, this is, if you already trade, you may not need all this, but some of this might be helpful to you. But essentially, looking at the playlist on the side, first video is how to trade stocks. These two are going to be charting and kind of like strategy kind of setup. But when it comes to the options, You got this video right here, how to trade options for beginners. This one is how to like practice trading options on Robinhood, how to set your stop loss on Robinhood. Options pricing typically doesn't make sense to a lot of people. This makes sense of it. When it comes to like finding the perfect strike price, that's what this is. And then this is the like setup I trade all the time. I'm trading it right now too. And it's like, it didn't exactly, like we didn't move as fast as I wanted to, but like right now, from entry, like just me trusting the same trade up setup I've traded, it's moved like $1.68. But I'm looking for a move of about $3 on this. So yeah, if any of that's of interest to you, that is what I recommend taking a look at. That's where I would say to begin. Dominique, welcome back. Like real quick. All right, still moving up. Heading towards that second price target on that contract. You said are technical and fundamental the same? So I take they should be. I trade more off the technicals. Sometimes I will consider fundamentals. I consider fundamentals more for my investments more than my trades. But yeah, like if you're looking at break of structure, like support and resistance, different stuff like that, it's all going to be the same. I would say like what possibly changes is going to be possibly what time frames you're using and like what time frames you're trading on. And kind of just trading is very specific to like what works best for you though. Hello, I want to do a SPY call, but not sure about it. So I'm in a SPY call right now. That's what I had grabbed. I'm not up too crazy on it. I do expect it to go up more, but yeah, that's what I'm in. Hold on, my wife brought something for me. Why, thank you. A little snack. Okay. What was I gonna say? But yeah, I'm gonna say typically, I don't love like grabbing calls in the middle of a range. So like one thing that I kind of do is like if I look at like if you kind of look at the range of right now, like just trading, I would say our trading range, you could draw it from here potentially, or you could draw it here. And like if you split the range in kind of in half, ideally the bottom half, this would be like where you, I guess kind of, where is it? Oh, this would be like where you typically would buy calls. And the top half would be typically where you're more inclined to grab puts. Like just assuming you're trading range bound. So it's like, I think we can continue to push up and move higher. But normally for me, I would be less likely to grab, like you wouldn't typically find me grabbing calls up here after a stock has moved so much. That's just me though. depending on like what you're trying to do, there could be money to be had there. You said, how immune are options to Donny Boy's treat? Not very immune, not at all. Oh, that's so good. I haven't like traded too much over the past couple weeks. It's like if I am, I need to be at the charts kind of like I am right now. I need to see what's going on. So can we take a look at Uber? Let's see. So Uber currently selling off. They got a fat bullish range. Like on the 4 hour, they got a bullish range, but I would think it may not do it right away, but it can come back to $70, and there's a demand zone at $70. So I would say anything could happen. Like on the lower time frames, it's trending down. So I would say it can continue kind of this like if you see its trend, kind of how it's like this, like kind of how it's coming down, like coming lower lows and lower highs and stuff. I would think it could kind of continue that going to 70, and then from 70 I would expect some kind of like movement back up. But depending on like how it moves back up, it may prepare to come back even lower, or that could be like it could go for like a new high there. I don't know. But yeah, right now, I think short term is like pulling back. Like it might come up on the day. It could do that, but that's kind of where it's going. Hey Simon, you're very, very welcome. I truly hope those videos help. Now that I've gotten back from Europe, I think I can get back into the swing of making more videos. I recorded one about a week ago. I hadn't really got the time to edit it. Insane. This call is moving, or this buy is moving up nice and slow. So thank you. Thought Uber was going down. Want to get out and get back in at the dip. Honestly, speaking of that, that's kind of how I feel about a lot of stocks and stuff right now. Like we just saw a run on. I'm gonna sit back down. We just saw a run on a lot of stocks, but sorry y'all, I'm eating right now, so or snacking, and they're very good, but Yeah, we just saw a run on a lot of stocks, and like some of them, it's like, yeah, you can see like some of them, it's like, oh shoot, that might be the lowest we'll ever get them again. But others, it's like, yo, this one is definitely coming back to this level at some point in time. It may be years, but I'm gonna wait around for that, or maybe dollar cost average when it's below a certain level. Like for instance, here, let me pull it up. I think SoFi. Let me see. Like SoFi, yeah, we had this run, but I don't think it's done. Like I don't think it's done pulling back. Like I think no, this seems kind of wild. But it's like I feel like we'll revisit this 863 at some point. But I think honestly, I think like if we come back to 14, that's when I was like considering buying SoFi some more. But it's crazy to think because I see so much upside to SoFi. Veronica said, Hims had a great run. Do I see any? You said anytime soon. Well, Hims is very like news based or catalyst based. So I would think Hims comes back to the 1649 at one point. What do I have down here at 1119? What is this? Like I would think this 1120 is possible. I'm not gonna say that's obvious, but I would say Hims will come back to 17 at some point in time. But yeah, overall, like I don't know about going up right now, but like looking on the weekly, it's crossed to the downside, the 13 and 48 EMAs. It's at the 48, so I would think like there is a lot of strength at this $32 area, or resistance at this $32 area. So it's like so stocks like Hims, it's like these are ones that it's like ideally you're just grabbing when they're like really cheap and like possibly taking a chance on. All right, so the SPY calls, hey, up 11 or 12% on the SPY calls, 14%. All right, they're in the money, almost to the second price target. It's been a long kind of wait, but hey, we're here. I'm up like 20% on those. Slow and steady wins the race, I guess. I was really thinking this would be one of those quick, like, at market open trades. I was thinking, hey, we'll probably get another trade in today. This is for sure going to be my only trade today. But it's nice that it's in the money now. It'd be nice when it's like comfortably in the money. Now it's out of the money. That theta really gets you on 0 DTEs. Got Euro close in like 6 minutes. Hopefully Europe is feeling good right now. Maybe they'll add some buying pressure. Three contracts in on SPY, up 32%. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. I think I got 3, or I have 3 contracts too. But I had 4 contracts ready to grab at like earlier when it was at like 45 cents per share. Be sitting real nice right now, but didn't do it. All right, little pullback action. Yeah, that was good. See what's happening with the VIX real quick. Quick look. So we got about 2.5 minutes left. All right, here, let's see. Love Cisco. Will AMD continue, or is that a head? Are you talking about on the day? Possibly. I mean, when you look at on the, nah, I don't think it's a head and shoulders yet. Let me see the 5. Because I would have thought this could have been a head and shoulders, but so I'm gonna say it's not a head and shoulders yet, or I don't know what time frame you're looking at, but yeah, let me know what time frame you're looking at, or maybe I'm too zoomed in, but I don't think so. Because right now it's just like straight up. But I forgot what stock it was. I think it was Tesla. Oh, you said 1 minute here. Let's see. All right, that might be a different story. Let's see. Oh yeah, kind of yeah. That straight up is. But it's trying to go on somewhere. So I don't know. I don't mess with the 1 minute like that. So yeah, I'm not messing with it. But yo, I'm cool with whatever AMD does. I got my shares. If it comes down enough, I'll buy some more. But I'm not like trading it. Shoot, if AMD wants to run another like $50 a day, I won't be mad though, cause I did grab like 2 just extra out of there kind of options. Let me see. They're probably going to expire worthless, but I think they were like $6 per share or 6 cents per share. Yeah, I grabbed like 2 AMD 390 calls. Oh yeah, these contracts went insane today. The one with the highest return is let's see. The 345 call strike has the highest return. 22,000% return. So these were 2 cents per share. Now they're 400, and yeah, that's like a 200x right there. More than 200x overnight. That's like old crypto right there. All right, we got the SPY trying to make another move up. Contracts back at the money, not in the money. Okay, in the money again. Let's see if we make our move towards the second price target. Let me see if I can get back to the contract. That's like, I would like to see this trade through with y'all. If it takes too long, then I'm out of here. Yeah. Okay, so Patrick said, yeah, what's up with the contract prices? Which one are we, what stock are we talking about, Patrick? I feel like I've talked about a lot of, with AMD. So AMD, the contract prices went insane because, where'd my mouse go? Oh, the contract prices went insane because AMD, you can see right here, it's up $42 on the day. So from yesterday to today, a gap up like that, or like just a move like that from yesterday, different like strikes that were like way out of the money and super cheap just moved up a massive amount because it was unexpected. So anybody who wanted to speculate and take a bet, yo, they won big. All right, NVIDIA, what did it top out at? So we may as well get NVIDIA to take out 210. Nah, yeah, wow, it's for real. Bro, I saw NVIDIA yesterday, not NVIDIA. I saw AMD yesterday at like 323. I was like, man. I was like, AMD's doing this thing. And then I woke up today, I'm like, dang, it was at like 340 something. I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm like, it is still going. Like if we look at AMD over the past week, or like just I guess this weekly candle, the low end was 274. The high upper end is 352, so that's about $80. If we wanted to look at a monthly candle on AMD, that's gonna be insane. So from about 201 to 352. Yeah, that's like $151 a movement this month. That's if you have one share. You said up 61% of them. Hey, for real, AMD is bro. It makes me wish I loaded up more. I think what price did I stop buying AMD at? I'm not sure if it was either like 170 or like 200. I don't know. One of my accounts, my average on AMD is messed up because I like sold out and like bought in. So it shows like I think it shows my average price is around like, it might be like 200 or something like that, or maybe a little under. But I got one where my average price is like, I don't know. Let me see. It's like 126. Bro, this buy is okay. So we got Euro close. Yeah, we do have Euro close. That's in. What's the dollar looking like? I'm gonna need this dollar to just hold and like come on down. Intel up 74%. Yeah, Intel's crazy. Patrick said I came in at 268 for. Hey, that's good too. Like even coming in at 268, that was like close to all time highs when it. Here, let's see. That was like all time highs. Like yeah. Yeah, so we had a lot of resistance there, but yeah, I guess yeah, you bought on the breakout. It's like honestly, odds are it will come back to retest that at some point in time. But yo, if it's a trade, yeah, you're doing amazingly on that. But yeah, like now below that, that's just like, oh, buy more. And if you ever see 200 again, oh, that's something. I felt like I had like something here. Let's see. Felt like there was a like, yeah, there's still like a gap to this 170 level. Yeah, I think that's why I was like, yo, I think 170 is where I had stopped buying. Cause I think we hit 170, we gapped up to here like 200, and I was like, okay, I'm not buying anymore to 170. So I haven't bought any AMD since September, except for like there was a point when I bought out or sold out, and I like bought back in. It was for about the same price, so. But yeah, I'm just holding on to that one. I think one day they'll do some stock splits, and I'll have over 100. You said yeah, I do the copy trading account. Got lucky. Hey, that's very fortunate. Hey, stay blessed, Patrick. Stay blessed. All right, so pulling back a little bit. I think the trend on the day overall is still like up. But I just want my targets to get hit. I also want to walk away. I might just, like on the cool, I might just sit here. And y'all might notice like I'll still check the chat. I'm still like checking the charts too. But like I'm a low key start like prompting. Like I got some work that needs to be done, so like my attention is split a little bit more. I'm watching this trade, but it's like it's just slowly moving along. So I'm like I don't want to get out of it yet, but yeah, I've got some stuff I'm trying to do. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Still here. Just for the record. Just split attention. Starting to pull back on the hiking ashy a little bit though. Let's take this AMD to the 15. All right, so still, SPY is holding around this like 712 area. Let me put the Qs back up. The Qs is chilling around like 661 and like 20 cents or so. We got Nvidia up here pretty close to 210. Nvidia's chilling around 209.42. AMD at about 248 or so. All right, SPY trying to approach this high of day. I'd love if it came and hit this one target. That'd be nice, but here, let me get in, look at the options activity. Come on over to Moomoo. Go look at the SPY analysis. Oh, we got too many people buying calls. I'm gonna need people to chill out. This volume. Yeah, we got too many people buying calls. They slowing things up. Let's check out the put to call ratio. Volume. What's that mean? All right, still hovering around the 712 area. All right, we got Nvidia around like 209 right now. Okay, there we go. There we go. Price movement. Hold up. Let me take profit. All right. All right. I'm selling out. That's it. Okay. Out. Yup. There we go. Took profit on the contracts at 211. I don't know what just happened. They're still kind of moving. But yeah. All right, 92. Yeah, bought in. That is what we were waiting on. All right, family. That's going to do it for the day. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what happened. But yo, target hit. It might still be moving, but hey. Hey, only 15 minutes past. Oh my goodness. Bro, it jumped like $400 in like that small time too. Hey. But hey, we'll take it. That is going to do it. Let me get the exact numbers on that real quick. Let me see. Where's the spy? Oh, honestly, it looked like bro. It looks like that may have been the high right there, or like the area I was targeting. Look at that. Cause it's selling off now. Hey, them charts don't lie. Them charts don't lie. Let's see. So the contracts I had today. So I bought 3 contracts 1 minute in the market open. Bought 3 7/12 calls that expired today for 92 cents per share. Just sold out of them. I saw them at $2.50 per share, but I sold out of mine for $2.11, or $2.11 per contract. Oh, you said war news. Okay. Iran thinking war talks. Hey, I don't know. I mean, it's still moving up, but hey, that's it. Hey, family, we're here. We're done for the day, and we will. To those of you to those of you that are with me on WAP, we'll be back Monday. If you're not, we will be back next Friday. But oh, it's a good first day back. But yeah, with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through today. I hope each and every one of y'all have a wonderful weekend. And oh yeah, D-Scurv, nice. Yo, we got it. Yeah, I know you sitting pretty on those D-Scurv. But yeah, I hope M Sense was in TQQQ. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, but yeah, with that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Dominique. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, D-Scurv. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Travis. Appreciate that, Travis. Peace out, Patrick. Peace out, Love Cisco. Peace out, Ronica. Peace out, Yoko. And yeah. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Oh, peace out, Cam. Yeah, y'all stay blessed. Peace out, family.